So yesterday I watched a movie called Truth and Dare on Netflix. So I got an idea that why not give you guys truth or dare, what you choose. If you choose dare, then I dare you to go and subscribe and like my channel. If you choose truth, for those, the smart ones, but sorry, I truly dare you to go and truly subscribe my channel. Hello and welcome back again, guys. Oh, it's too hot and I'm wearing black. What coincidence. So guys, apart from that, today I'm gonna give you a tour of a elegant builder floor in South City 2, Gurgaon. It's amazing, lavish. So just comment, please comment करो and मेरे को बताओ आपको ये फ्लोर कैसा लगा जब आप ये वीडियो पूरी देख लोगे. And so let's go. That's the staircase, guys, to the lift area. So guys, let me take you to room number 1. So as you enter, you will see a wooden large flooring laid out. Futuristic, it's elegant. That's a wooden mounted wall where you can keep your showcase. That's your LCD panel. So this is the master bedroom, guys, and just look at the quality and the finish that they have given. Now I'm going to take you to the bathroom attached to the master bedroom on the right. Look at the woodwork along with the marble. Even the tiles fitted are, given a wooden finish, and it goes perfectly well. The fittings are of Kohler, as you can see. They have also given a sauna in the bathroom. It's a steam and the sauna. Everything has a precision while they were finishing. The quality, the fittings, the lights. So guys, that's like the closet. So that's a walk-in closet that you get for the master bedroom. Just look at how huge it is. It's a walk-in closet that you get with the master bedroom. If I walk inside and then show you the master bedroom with it. Now we'll be entering room number 2. So each and every room has a wooden flooring, and the outer area, that is the drawing and the living or the kitchen, have Italian marble tiles. Again, there's a wooden mounted wall as soon as you enter the room with a wooden closet. Here you have your LCD panel. And now we'll be entering the attached bathroom with the room number 2. Again, we see the combination of the colors for tiles and the granite slab with the sink, along with the fittings, again color. Perfect. And if I show you the closet, yeah, it is spacious. Like a person like me can fit in there, like someone like me can fit in this closet. It's huge. And here we go, room number 3. So as soon as you enter, there is a wooden closet again in front of you, and then again the wooden carvings that they have fixed just when you enter in the wall in front of you. And yes, these are thick wooden logs. So this is double the size of the closet that we showed in the previous room. So now we'll be entering the bathroom attached to this room. The combination of cream with dark brown, giving it an elegant look. So the thing that I've noticed is that wooden work बहुत ज़्यादा किया है इन्होंने, and which is giving total grace to the whole quality and finish. Room number 4. You've got LCD panels in all the rooms, be it 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 rooms have LCD panel with a wooden finish. That's your closet with room number 4. So guys, now the washroom with room number 4. That's the kitchen, guys. That's the adjoining balcony. So you got your chimney, stove, this comes the balcony, guys. Don't worry about the wasted time. Let's waste some time together. Don't linger on the wasted time. Don't waste your time more. So guys, that's your drawing room, which is right adjoining the lobby. guys, that's your drawing room. Again, a lot of woodwork with Italian marble tiles. You can easily fit in around 12 to 15 seater of your sofa in this drawing room. Spacious, airy. It's just the blinds are drawn, and if you open the blinds, you will get a sunlight till noon, and then because it is north facing, so that's the reason that you will get sunlight until the sun sets. That's the terrace, guys. So this is the terrace that you will get if you buy the top floor of this particular property. That is the 4th floor. So with 4th floor comes this terrace. So that's your couch seating area. In terms of if you wanna guys have house party or a terrace party, barbecue party. It's too sunny right now, but when the sun sets, the lights go out, and then you're gonna enjoy the view of this beautifully laid terrace. So guys, you saw the builder floor from inside. आपने अंदर से देखा. अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ आपको इसके साथ एड ऑन क्या मिलेगा, which you do not get in other builder floors. I bet you. It's a sports club. Yes, it's a sports club. So let's go and check it out. So guys, that's the waiting area or the lounge area where you can chill, have your evening coffee or evening drink, be it anything that you want. So let's go in and check out the sports club. Here you go. So we are entering the club and I'm gonna explain you each and everything about it. That's the caretaker. Just wave a hi. Hi kar do.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
He's shy. So guys, so that's your gym that you get. Yes, your own gym. So that's the private gym, guys, that you get. You have all the equipments, treadmill, cross trainer, cycle, a multifunctional body workout. And here, as we step in this room, you get your table tennis area. So for all the table tennis lovers, this is what you get if you buy this home. So as we go inside this room, what you get is your sauna. That's your sauna and your steam with bathtub. That's a jacuzzi. Now as we enter the other area of the club, so guys, yeah, I also want to mention that you get this club in the basement of your floor. That's the carom area. And that's the card room. You can play your blackjack, poker, mint money in this room, guys. Switching on to the other side. You got your pool table. So that's the club that you get, guys. So this is your barbecue area, guys. So guys, it's a 500 square builder floor. You will get any unit that you like, ground, first, second, top with roof. We have a lot of units available in South 82 and also in DLF 1. So the interior will gonna be the same. The exterior will gonna be the same. So I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it.